In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Adobe Acrobat dark mode. If you spend a lot of time reviewing PDFs, switching Acrobat's interface to a darker theme can make a big difference. It reduces glare, is easier on the eyes at night, and can help your screen blend in with other dark-themed apps. Let's walk through it clearly and simply so you can get it done in seconds. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. You can use either the full Acrobat app or the free reader. Both support the same theme setting. Give the app a moment to load to the main window where you can see your toolbar and menus. Next, click the menu button. Depending on your version, you might see a traditional menu bar across the top of the window, or a small icon with 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu, near the top left corner. Either option is fine. We're heading to the same place. From there, select View, then choose Display Theme. This is the section where Acrobat lets you switch the overall look of the interface. If you're on Mac OS, the View menu appears in the System menu bar at the very top of your screen. On Windows, it sits inside the Acrobat window itself. When you open Display Theme, you'll see theme choices that control how the app's panels, toolbars, and backgrounds appear. Now, choose Dark Gray. That's Adobe's dark mode for Acrobat. As soon as you click it, the interface will flip to a darker color palette. Toolbars, side panels, and backgrounds will all shift to deeper grays. This change is immediate and doesn't require a restart. If you decide later that you prefer a brighter look, you can return to the same menu and pick light gray at any time. A quick note for clarity, switching the display theme changes the application's interface, not the actual colors of the PDF pages themselves. Your documents will still display their original colors. That means your text, images, and form fields remain accurate, while the surrounding workspace becomes easier on the eyes. If you don't see the display theme option, make sure no dialog boxes are open, and that you're viewing the main Acrobat window. Closing and reopening Acrobat can also refresh the menus. Keeping the app updated helps too, since interface options can move slightly between versions, but the view is greater than display theme path is consistent across recent releases. That's all there is to it. Open Acrobat, click the menu, go to View, select Display Theme, and choose Dark Gray. Enjoy a cleaner, more comfortable workspace, especially during long reading sessions or late-night reviews. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick change makes your PDF work a lot easier on your eyes.